My name is Neza, I'm 11 years old, and today I will show you how to do times and divide using PyCharm in Python in the programming language called Python. So first, if you want to do this, just go to your web browser and download PyCharm. Search PyCharm and you should see JetBrains. So click the first link and download PyCharm. Next, just download Python. Search Python and you should find it there. Let's get started. So first, we need one number to nini. What's wrong with me? Okay. So now let's do some animations. First of all, let's do the aura farming kid, that trending kid, like this. So we're done with the aura farming kid. Let's do a funk. This one is funk. Oh, my friend is there for us to sing. Let's do tung tung. Let's do tung sahur. Let's see if you'll be able to sing. Yeah. Okay, not yet. Looks like he stopped. Yeah. Perfect. Let's do James Dance. Let's do James Dance. Yeah. Okay, not yet, according to him. I think we're a bit off. I don't know. This dance is so weird. Game bandido. Monta game bandido. So no, he said paso bem solto. Oh, this is perfectly in sync. Yeah. Let's do aura farming kid. One sec, let's give him. Let's do the aura farming. Aura, please. Okay. Oh, he's gone. Let's just do the orphan kid again. Let's dance. Yeah. What else? Let's do Cha-Cha remix. Let's add some volume.
So she like to call me Bang. You don't like to dance? Come on, do the cha-cha. Shorty Spanish, so she like to call me Papa.
Yeah. Let's do Bully Maguire. Yeah, if you know this means. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the Roblox break. Let's get right back to the video. We need a number to choose, like you need to put in a number. So we need to number_1. So int means an integrator. So it's just an input for numbers. So enter a number. Okay, and enter a number. Oopsie daisy. So enter a number. Then we want it to print. Right now we are doing times, so print multiplied by. So they are quotes. So if you want to put a double quote in your sentence, put a quote in this first thing of your, or in the first, like what you want to print, because a quote or a double quote is what allows the thing to. It's what Python understands. So now we need to print multiplied by. Is it how you spell multiplied? Multiplied by number_2. So there's a reason why I'm putting number_2. It's an variable. So a variable is like a box. For example, this laptop is like a box. So the box, now what you put in, which is this input, is what you put into the box. So now we'll need this variable later. So let's just put the same thing, int input, enter a second number. Now we need to do that multiplying. So now we need multiply, the multiply variable. Everything, basically, like everything you want to do, like it has to have a variable. I'm not sure, I'm not yet like a pro, So multiply by number. So whatever that's in the variable number 1, then star, which is times whatever that's in the variable number_2. Then we need to print multiply. So print multiply. Remember, even Python is very sensitive when it comes to capital letters and small letters. Multiply. Now enter a number. Now we need to do something. We need to put a space to make it look nice. So a space. Enter a number. Let's do 2 times 2 is 4. As you can see here. Then 8 times 9 is 72. Yeah. Then 90. Let's do 10 times 10 is 100. Let's do another one. 6.2. You can't do that. Invalid. So now we need to put, if you want to do this, so now you need to put int, then is it str? Is it that or what? Input. Is it that? str that enter a number 5.1. Nothing. Forget about the points, I guess. So now let's remove the brackets, this str, int input, remove that and remove that. So now we have multiplied, yeah. So now we need to do division. So division. Now another one, number underscore 1, and then input. Okay, let's try again. str int input. Yeah, it looks exactly what I did. Or is the int not supposed to be there? Input. Enter a number. Then print. Then again divided by now. So divided by go here, number 2, let's go 2, then str input, enter a second number. So now we need to divide. So divide. So number underscore 1, then slash, which is divide, number underscore 2. Then we need to print divide. Now let's see. Now I think we can put a 7.2 divided by 12. Not pause. Let's try again. 7.2. No, and then divided by 2.2. We cannot. So I guess I should just stick with int. Maybe I don't know how to do it. Int. Now let's see how it works. We need to put a space. So remember, we need to put a space to make it look nice. So let's do, no, not 5, because it's not divisible by 5, I think. 9. Okay, let's see if we get a point. 5 divided by 2.5. Okay, let's do 7001 divided by 935. 7.48777053475938. Yeah, so we are done with this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you guys have a great day or had a great day.